Hello everyone, welcome to the Detalles. Today we will explore the traditional art of the Pysanka, a wax-resist method of decorating eggs that dates back centuries. Pysanka is an Ukrainian Easter egg decorated using beeswax and dyes. The designs are not painted on but drawn using beeswax. Did you know the tradition of egg decorating originated in the pagan religion and was then absorbed into Christianity to become the traditional Easter egg? The technique of making pysanki is ancient, going back 2,000 years in the Ukraine. It involves blank eggs, beeswax, a lit candle or heat source to melt the beeswax, a vinegar solution, dyes, and patience. The popular hand tool to write on the egg is called kitska. Today, electric kitski are available for purchase. My Ukrainian friend Svitlana is here to share this wonderful technique with us.
Hello everyone, my name is Svitlava Tararur and I'm Ukrainian artist based here in Wichita, Kansas. And today I'm going to share with you some Ukrainian culture, some art, which is called Ukrainian Easter egg decoration.
The first step is to draw your pattern on the egg with a pencil.
We cover all the lines with the wax in order to have them white at the end of our design. So everything that you cover with wax will not be colored.
In the past, making the pysanki was a protection ritual against evil. This method of decorating eggs has transformed with time from being a ritual object to a decorative one and was adapted in many countries around the world.
So now we've finished our wax part, so all the lines, everything that we want to keep white is covered. And now we will have to put it into the vinegar solution for a few seconds, and then to our first color that will be light blue.
Submerging the egg into a vinegar bath for a few seconds after the first waxing helps the dye to stick to the shell easier. Traditionally, the eggs were left whole. They will eventually dry out and become light. Keeping the eggs in an open area with good circulation helps them age safely. My friend Svitlana prefers to start with blown egg shells to dye. By repeating this process with different colors of dyes, a multicolored pattern is built up. A variety of chicken, goose, or ostrich eggs can be used as your canvas. In the past, dyes were made from dried plants, roots, bark, berries, and insects. Nowadays, commercial dyes are available for purchase. When the wax is removed to reveal the colors that were covered up at each stage, the results are extraordinary. I love to learn from different cultures. It opens my eyes to new ideas and possibilities. I want to thank my friend Svitlana for enticing us with her beautiful culture. You can find her information on the video description along with some links. I hope you enjoyed this traditional art of the Slavic lands. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you for watching.